Hi, this is Chad Towner with Freedom Forever. How you doing, Chad?
Great, Richard.
Now, Chad's going to help me with some of the big questions, some of the questions that you probably all have. First one, why would someone go with Freedom Forever for their solar?
When somebody goes solar, there's so many different things that go into getting solar on somebody's roof. You've got to work with the utility to make sure that they will buy back the energy. You've got to work with the city to get the permit. You sometimes have to work with a homeowners association to get them to approve it. You have to get an engineer to design the system.
So all of that is taken care of by you guys?
Correct. Freedom Forever does literally everything once the customer signs up to go solar. All you have to do is save money.
That's all you have to do. I like the idea of that. What can a homeowner expect when they work with Freedom Forever? I mean, how is Freedom Forever going to take care of that customer over time?
Freedom Forever is making a 25-year commitment to the customer.
Really?
Yes, for 25 years, we're committing that the system is going to produce the amount of energy that we say it will. We have a team that is just only focused on making sure that the customer has a good experience from start to finish, and it doesn't end when the crew walks away after the install is completed. From that point on, that's really when everything starts happening from Freedom's side.
Tell me, what's the best thing about being part of the Freedom Forever team?
At Freedom Forever, we care about the customer. We care about the environment. And when somebody goes solar, they save money, we're saving the environment. It's a win-win.
Well, Chad, that was great. Thank you for helping me out.
Thanks, Richard.
Okay, one last question. What's preventing you from going with Freedom Forever? If you answered nothing, congratulations, you are a winner. The only thing left to do is give Freedom Forever a call and tell them Richard sent you.